Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I needed to get on here and chat with you guys for a little while today because it is a real hazy, dark, rainy day here, and it's a day like my husband loved. He loved the rainy, dark, dreary days. He just loved those days. He liked the rain. So I'm feeling kind of lonesome today, so I needed to get on here and talk to you. And I wanted to show you a few things that I have received in the mail just in the past 6 weeks. Now, I did get some things yesterday from Marie Henderson. Marie, I will have a whole separate video for yours, so don't think that I have forgot you. It's just that there's so much in hers that I'm going to have to do a separate video. But these are a few cards, a couple of cards that I got in the mail yesterday. This is from Carol Nelson. Isn't that pretty? She does a great job making cards. That's gorgeous. And then this is from LD or Kit. Lisa is her name. But she says she watches mine and Melina's videos, so that's great. But that's a sweet card that I got from her. Just wanted to show you guys those first, and then hold on, and I'm going to grab some other things. Okay, this is from Lou, I believe. She says, I know these will take some time to get to you, so I hope they arrive at a time that is right. Blessings to you. Now this, I'm pretty sure, and I don't have her package anymore, but this came from, I want to say, England. Is that right? Let me know in the comments below, Lou. But this is some of her digitals, I think, that she has just created. So I want to show you these. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful Christmas. And if anybody's looking for any inspirational ones, I know I've had some people ask for religious and inspiration. These are beautiful. Look at that. And I'm not sure, like I said, this is all I have right here. I will have to try to look up her website. Lou, if you are watching, if you'll just comment or send me an email and let me know your website or your Etsy store, wherever you sell these, because I know everybody's going to want to know. And somewhere in the shuffle, I have misplaced your card. They're very pretty. Very pretty. And then this one, okay, here's her. At MIROS House on Etsy. And I will put that, I will look that up and put it in the comments below. Let's see. Yeah, this is on A4 size, so I'm pretty sure it's like England, somewhere around in there. It's not in Alabama. This is pretty. Edith's Christmas. Oh my goodness. I just saw that. Gift card envelopes. How sweet. That is so sweet. Did this one have something on it that I missed? You guys know right now, my fog is just, it's taking over. That is so pretty. Oh, look at these. They're gorgeous. Love these. You could use these for tags to put on your Christmas presents and then just write on the back of them. That's gorgeous. Edith's Christmas journal cards and tabs. How sweet of you. I'm supposing you're naming that after me. I don't know. You may know another Edith. But those are gorgeous. Look at that. I love these. And those side pockets, those are so pretty. My goodness, these are gorgeous. So you guys head over, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce that, at Myra's house, but I'll put the link below. I have a hard time these days just saying my own name, much less somebody else's. Look at that. Those are gorgeous too. Love those tags. And these, she printed these for me on a nice heavy paper so that I don't have to back them with anything if I don't want to. Alright, so that is the two collections that Lou sent to me. So I'm going to put her link below and you guys go over and check her out. Okay, then I got more of the seam binding from Erin, and Erin sent me a sweet message, and I am so sorry that I have not responded. I saw the message and I started responding. I got distracted and my mind just went bloop. So these are from my scrap cabin on Etsy, and I'm going to cut this crinkling out right here while I open these. Okay, I don't think I'll open all of them. I think you can see the colors better like this. This is November bundle set. Look at that. I love, love, love these colors in there. Isn't that gorgeous? And I'll put my scrap cabin. I'll put her link below. This is the winter bundle set. Oh, I love that white, that winter white. So pretty. Oh, look at that. Those are yummy, yummy, yummy colors. Love it. Okay, so that is from Erin from my scrap cabin. I will be using plenty of these, so stick around. Thank you so much, Erin, and thank you for thinking of me. I really appreciate that. And then I got this from Michelle, and it's a sweet letter. Sweet, sweet letter. I'm not going to read it all on here. Some of it is kind of personal, so I'm just going to leave it like that. But look at this. She sent me some information on, I think this is a grief journal that she did. I think her mom passed away. Yeah. And so she sent me some pictures of the one that she did, and it's so sweet. And let's see. Here we go. Get that. I am starting to do a grief journal. I've had to just wait for a while. Couldn't start it immediately. But look at these. Isn't that cute how she put the little hearts on the end of that twine? That's sweet. I have never seen that done before, but guess what? I think I'll be doing it. She sent me some prompts here, and then this sweet these prompts here, and then the oak tree, that's the poem, and then stages of grief. Yep, gone through just about every one of them. Denial, yeah. Angry, yeah. Oh, I think I've had all of them so far that I can think of, and probably a few that nobody has ever thought of. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, these are some of those prompts like she put in her journal. Oh, that is so sweet, and they're already put together and inked and everything. Oh, that is going to be great. And the journal that I'm using is the one that I got from Gail. I showed you guys the journal that she did for me. So that's the one that I'm using for my grief journal. So now I am going to show these, and I'm hoping that I've got the right names to go with, but some of my things were opened by other people and just laid on my shelf for me to look at when I had time or when I felt like it. And so some of the cards got a little bit mixed up. So I'm sorry if I don't give the credit to the right person, but they're absolutely gorgeous. Now this, I'm not sure. I looked through here, but I didn't see a name or anything on this. So I'm not sure who this came from. It was just in a package, they said, with no name. So thank you, whoever sent this to me. I have read most of it already. Let's see. Now this, I think, all came from the same person. Isn't that card pretty? This is Shelly, I do believe. all of this came from. Shelly, if I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. But she did some beautiful, this is like hand crafted paper or handmade paper, and she there you go. She embossed it. And then she's got some beautiful trims here. They're so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. And then, let's see what this is. This is some Braille paper. So, and it's got a little rusty pin on it right there, so I'm not going to open it up, but that's just that Braille paper that you can find sometimes. We can't find it around here, or I can't, but some people can, in your thrift stores. Okay. And then she made this cute journal. And let me make sure that I'm giving, I hope this is from the same person. Yeah, Shelly. Okay. I just wanted to send a little note to let you know how sorry I am at the tragic loss of your beloved husband. I've enclosed a little happy mail just for some fun. Blessings, Shelly. Thank you so much. Look at this little journal. Is this not cute? And it's got these little pockets in it that you can tuck stuff in there. I need to make one of these. That is cute. And then there's a little flip down. And she's embossed some of this paper. It's so pretty. That is cute. I might slide this one in my purse and just have it when I'm out, you know, and about. If I'm having to sit and wait for something, I can have it to journal on. That is so pretty. Love, love, love it. Thank you so much, Shelly. Look at this. This is a little matchbook flip up. Cute. And she's got it in there with some lace. Look at that. With a little, it's clipped on. These are the little clips that we have of Tim Holtz. See how tiny they are? They're just right for little journals like this. Oh, that's cute. Very, very cute. I love it. And then this is a little pull out so you can have more journaling space. And then it's tied with this beautiful, I think this is sari silk. Very, very pretty. So thank you so much, Shelly. I appreciate it. And I will definitely be using this. All of these I'll be using. Okay, let's see. Now this is the little stack that I'm not real sure of. This is some lace and trims. And there's some doilies in here, vintage doilies. All kinds of goodies. Numbers on there. And then some old book pages. And then there's a little quilt. Some little, I guess you call these pom-pom? No, I don't know what these are called. They're little, I knew what those called because I've made them before, but my mind is blank. And then these are made out of a little quilt. And then, and I'm not sure that this is from the same person. But let's look at this card and see. Okay, this is just a happy birthday. It doesn't say that it goes with this, but this is from Jody Thompson. And then this, let's see. This is another card from Jody Thompson. So Jody, is this from you? Let me know in the comments below. I'm not sure if it is or if this is from someone else. I tell you, guys, I am sorry that I'm having to struggle. Look at that. But ever who this is from, thank you so, so much. This is beautiful paper. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that one's gorgeous. Look at the pumpkins. Absolutely beautiful. And then this with the dyed doily. So I won't take all that one out. But Shelly, let me know, not Shelly, Jody, let me know if this is from you. And if not, ever who sent this to me, please claim it and let me know. Like I said, I apologize for having it a little bit helter-skelter, but it's the way this life has been for the last 6 weeks. And when other people are opening and setting things aside for you, sometimes they just, you know, things just get mixed up. Okay, I think that is all of my packages. I did want to show you this and tell you to go over and download your, this was the October bullet journal that Betty made for you guys. And she gave this to you for being so sweet to us. And I appreciate that from her. Look at that. But it's got all kinds of things in here. You can use it for your calendar. If you don't do a bullet journal, just use it for a calendar and for notes. But it will go with just about anything. And then this is the October calendar. Most of you have already downloaded that. We've already got the November up. And on the November, she did do a tribute on the 3rd of this month, which was Whit's birthday. She did do a tribute to him on the 3rd. So if you have not gone over and downloaded your November calendar, I will link that below and you can go over there and get that. It's free to all of our subscribers. Okay guys, I think that is all I have on this video. I'm going to try to come back in a little while and do another tutorial video, hopefully, if I can manage to get my words to come out correctly. But we will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much. God bless, and we love you all. Bye-bye.